In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Undo Send in Gmail Recall and Email. If you've ever hit send a little too quickly, this feature is your safety net. Undo Send doesn't reach into someone's inbox and pull a message back after it's delivered. Instead, it holds your email for a short window so you can cancel it before it actually leaves your outbox. Let's set it up and walk through how to use it confidently. First, open Gmail in your web browser. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab, which is where most core preferences live. Scroll a little until you see Undo Send. This is the control that lets you choose how long Gmail waits before actually sending your message. You'll see options for the cancellation period, 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Pick the amount of time that matches your comfort level. If you're often making last-minute edits or double-checking attachments, choose 30 seconds for the most breathing room. If you're confident and want less delay, 5 or 10 seconds might be enough. Whatever you choose, make sure to scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. This part is easy to miss, and your new setting won't apply until you save. Now let's recall an email in action. Compose a message and click Send. Immediately after sending, look to the bottom left corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a small notification that reads Message Sent. Right next to it are two links, Undo and View Message. The key is timing. You must click Undo within the cancellation period you set earlier. If you click Undo in time, Gmail stops the send and your message reopens as a draft so you can edit, add an attachment, change recipients, or even delete it entirely. If the countdown finishes before you click Undo, the email is sent and can't be canceled. A few tips to make this smoother. Keep your eyes on that bottom left notification right after you send. If you think you'll often need a moment to reconsider, set the cancellation period to 30 seconds for a generous buffer. And remember, this only affects the delay before sending. Once that timer expires, the message is gone. That's it. With Undo Send configured and a quick click on Undo when needed, you can prevent those oops moments and keep your emails polished and accurate before they go out.